As you know, tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I thought of surprising my mom by making breakfast tomorrow. And I thought of sharing this recipe with you guys so that you can also do the same. So here is the recipe of making mini pancakes with your favorite toppings. Start with taking a big bowl and adding 1 cup of wheat flour into it. To this we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we will add a big pinch of salt. And finally baking soda. So we don't want to add this a lot, so we'll take only a pinch. Now let's mix the dry ingredients together. Now we will add milk and we will add it in parts so that we don't overdo it. As you can see, there are a lot of lumps in the batter now, so we need to whisk till all the lumps are gone. So finally we are looking for such a flowing consistency, and we have whisked it for around 4 to 5 minutes to kill all these lumps. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of butter. This is softened butter. I took it out from the fridge like 15 minutes back. So our fluffy batter is ready. Now let's start cooking. Here I am using a non-stick pan, so there is no need to apply oil or butter before pouring the batter. So once you see these bubbles forming up over here, then you know it's time to turn. Just take them off the pan and now flip them. On the other side, just see such color, and then it's time to take them off the heat. So as you can see, we have cooked all the pancakes, and now we'll start plating them up. I'm using wooden skewers. Firstly, I'll skew the apples. And now I'll stack 4 to 5 mini pancakes. Once you have 4 to 5 stacks of pancakes on the plate, then start drizzling them with honey. Instead of honey, you can also use maple syrup. So your apple pancake stack drizzled with honey is ready. For the second plating style, I will be using mango. So for this, I have taken half a mango and I am scoring it vertically and horizontally. Make sure that you are not cutting the skin. And now cut it into small cubes. You can also use the usual way of cutting onion or tomato, but I am just showing off. Now take few pancakes in a bowl and top it off with mango cubes and drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey. Pancakes are ready to serve. For the last plating idea, I am using blueberries. So just repeat the same process. Take a bunch of mini pancakes in a bowl and top it off with blueberries. The honey drizzle in this one came out to be really perfect. Blueberry pancakes are ready to serve. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. And happy Mother's Day to all the lovely moms around the world.